Quante cose al mondo puoi fare, costruire, inventare, ma trovo quante cose al mondo puoi fare, costruire, inventare, ma trovo
Hi everybody, welcome to the first episode of CoffeeTravel, the show where we take coffees around the bars in Italy and we show you the best small towns around.
Yeah, today we are in Civita Castellana, that is our first episode, and the point we are going to start.
Yeah.
And
It's actually his hometown.
yes, it's my hometown, but
I'm always here basically, so it's a really easy task for us today because we kind of know this town and it's a little bit easier than the other ones.
we are in this beautiful bar that's called.
Yeah, we are in Gran Caffè Matteotti. We thank them to let us film here because it's a really nice place in the main square of Civita Castellana basically, and you have a panoramic view and there are no cars parked outside.
There was no car 5 minutes ago, but when we started to film,
They
parked
basically.
here and they don't move away from our.
Yeah, so it's a bit of a shame, but you know,
What can you do?
what can you do? In this episode, I soak my pants.
And
Christy finds
it was very beautiful.
a pink APECAR, and
Yeah,
it was very
it was very beautiful. It was very pink. Well, let's see something about this beautiful town and to take some conclusion about it.
I don't understand what? You think I don't understand pressure, Claire? Why I'm here today?
So, we finally arrived here in front of the Church of Santa Maria Maggiore.
Which goes by the name of Duomo of Civita Castellana.
The ancient Romans started building it in 1185, and with the help of a local family called Cosmati, it was finished building in 1210. Yes, thanks man.
You're welcome. And the family, which is called Cosmati, made the mosaic inside the building, which is very, very colorful and beautiful, and you can see it in this clip.
Roll the clip. So right now we are at the back of Duomo and we are about to go there. What's that?
That's the Forte San Gallo. That is a fortress built in 1499, I think.
Are you crazy? You remember when they built it?
I remember everything.
Damn! So we are in front of Forte San Gallo, which is a fortress built by Pope Alexander VI for the Borgia family. When did they build it?
In 1499, I think, and it was finished. I don't know when it was finished, but it was made because they need a fortress to control a territory, so they built it, and now you can visit it, I think.
Yeah, it's a museum now, and you can visit the terraces up top of the fortress, and
Yeah, you can see all the town from the terraces. Terraces, yeah. And you can see everything from there, and
often they have displays of stuff like ceramic vases, photographs, and antiquities.
You don't understand. You don't.
So now it's time to rate this town with our new score system.
Yeah.
That's based of 5 coffee cups basically. And how much does this town get?
Well, I think it's not so dirty. I was thinking
Yeah,
about
it's clean.
Yeah.
Because there are a lot of people cleaning it and cutting the grass and doing a lot of stuff, so the city is clean, people are nice.
Yeah. I don't like the fact that the building are not so in so good shape.
It's a nice place to go for a walk in daytime.
Yeah, in
'cause,
spring it's a very beautiful
spring,
place.
yeah.
It's better if you can came here when it's cold. It's not cold and it is hot.
Not hot.
Not hot.
The best is now is spring.
Yeah.
And September.
Yeah. In September and the spring.
So if you have to come here, come in autumn or spring, which are the best. It's not that hot, it's not that cold, and there are a lot of activities around and stuff to do, but always in daytime. Because this city, when it comes to nighttime, it's desert. There is nothing to do basically.
Every bar is closed and you have nothing to do because it is very, very, very sad.
It's sad. Yeah.
If you came at the daytime, it is very, very pleasing.
Yeah, it's really nice for a walk out of Rome.
Yeah, it's very, very nice if you want to stay far away from the big cities and the pollution of big cities.
Yeah.
Here it's a beautiful place because it is not so
Polluted and chaotic. Yeah.
Like
So this city gets what? 4 cups out of 5?
4 cups. That's okay because it is a beautiful city, but it's not perfect.
And you will see somewhere the graphic with the 4 cups, but I have not made it yet. So
Yeah,
here you have. Cling!
That was very strange, but it's okay.
I'm sorry. Okay. So, if you like this episode and you want to see a new one, subscribe, comment, like the video, share it if you want.
Yeah. And
Till next time, stay safe and have a nice coffee.